Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable extensions in the Mozilla Firefox private browsing mode. So if you are using in private mode, which is similar to incognito mode in Google Chrome, if you want to allow certain extensions to have access to the browser when in private browsing mode, I show you guys how to enable them. You just need to open up Firefox, click on this three slash icon and select settings. On left side select extensions and themes. On left side you just need to select extensions. On right side you can able to see the extensions listed over here guys. You just need to select the extension you want to access in private mode. You just need to select it, and after that you just need to scroll down. Run in private windows, you just need to select this to allow. When allowed, the extension will have access to your online activities while private browsing, and that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.